Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we will be working on Exp25 Excel chapter 4 Cumulative Insurance Claim. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assignment without any confusion. If you need any help with MyLab IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exams or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also showing on my laptop screen. I will guide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, computer science courses, mathematics, stats, physics, economics, website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grade guaranteed. Now let's start the today assignment and go through it step by step. There are total 15 questions of this assignment. Here is the title of assignment: Exp25 Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Insurance Claims. And below you can see that the project description: you have been hired as a business analyst at SKB Insurance Claim Department. As part of your responsibilities, you have been asked to enhance the Excel workbook used to analyze the department's performance. The workbook contains records of all claims resolved over the past year. You will convert the data to the table, format the table, sort and filter the table, insert calculations to evaluate key performance indicators, and then prepare the worksheet for printing. Now move to the question number 1. Start Excel, download and open the file named Exp25 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Insurance. Reader has automatically added to your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, in this question you will have to download the Excel workbook from MyLab IT dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from MyLab IT dashboard. First we enable the editing. Here is the file. You can see I have already downloaded from MyLab IT dashboard. Go to the instruction file. Now move to the question number 2. Convert the data range B6 to J215 to a table. Name the table insurance claims and then apply the light green table style light 21. Basically, in this question you will have to convert the data range from B6 to J215 to a table and then set the table name insurance claims and then apply the light green. Now move to the Excel workbook, and in left corner you can see that we have put a range that are given in the instruction file and name the table insurance claims. Then go to the insert tab. We have show the select all the range of table, then press OK. Our data are converted into the table format. And then give the name of the table that are given in the instruction file. You can see that insurance claim, insurance claims. And then apply the light green table style light 21. You can go to the table design, then click on then go to the table style group, then click on this drop down. You can see that all the table designs are showing. You can choose the light green table color. You can see that the table format are applied on table. Question number 2 are done. Now move to the question number 3. Remove duplicate records. Basically in this question you will have to remove the duplicate values that are exist in the table. First we will have to remove that. Now move to the Excel workbook, then select the table range, then go to the table design and click and then go to the tools group, then click on remove duplicates, then the remove duplicates pop-up are showing, then click on OK button. You can see that 3 duplicate values found that are successfully removed. All the unique records are appeared. Then press OK. Move to the instruction file. Now we will move to the question number 4. Add a new column at the end of table named duration. Basically in this question you will have to add a new column at the end of table and set their name duration. Now move to the workbook, click on this cell and write a table name duration. Question number 4 are done. Now move to the question number 5. Create a formula using unqualified structured references to calculate the days required to resolve the incident, date resolved, date created. Basically in this question you will have to create a formula using unqualified structured references. Now move to the workbook and then click on the duration column cell K7. Now we have add a formula equals to, then click on date resolved, then click on date resolved cell. You can see that at the rate date resolved are highlighted in the formula bar. Then minus and click on date created. Simply you can minus subtract the date resolved from date created, and you can see the duration result in these cells. The first is 36 and 18, 17 and up to so on. Question number 5 are done. Now move to the question number 6. Add a total row to display the average duration column K required to complete a claim. Simply you will have to add a total row to display the average duration in column K. Now move to the workbook, then go to the table design and check the total row option. You can see that the total duration claims are calculated in cell K213. The total result is 3049 of the duration. And question number 6 are done. You can see that the question number 7 are done. Question number 6 are done. Now move to the question number 7. Sort the table by insurance agent in alphabetical order. Add a second level to sort by description and then create a custom sort orders as follows. Natural disaster, food fire, theft, accident. Add a third level to sort by duration, smallest to largest. Basically in this question you will have to arrange a record in alphabetical order. Now move to the workbook. Go to the insurance agent column and select it. Insurance column selected from top to the bottom of. Then go to home tab and then go to the last section. Click on sort and filter. As you can see that there are 4 options: sort A to Z, sort Z to A, and the third option are showing custom font. The pop-up are showing in this pop-up. The first drop down sort by, you can select the insurance agent. Add a second level to sort by description. Basically we have add filters on this table to filter the record according to our needs, and then add a second level. The drop down, you can select the description and then create a custom sort order as follows: natural disaster, flood, fire, theft, accident, and then select the order custom list. In the custom list you can see that there are different text are showing and different options are showing. You can select the option natural disaster, flood and accident. Click on this and then hit OK. This is done, and the next part of this question number 7 is add the level to the sort by duration, smallest to largest. You will have add a third level to the sort by duration, smallest to largest. Same this, you can add a third level. Click on add level button. Then by drop down you can select duration. Now move to the order. In order drop down select smallest to largest. Then press OK. The filter are successfully applied on current table. Now move to the instruction file. Question number 7 are done. Now move to the question number 8. Filter the table to only display closed claims as indicated in the status column. Basically in this question you will have to display only the records Move to the Excel workbook, then go to the status column and add a filter only closed. You can see that all the data are filtered according to the status closed. You can see that all the status are closed and the data filtered out. Question number 8 are done. Now move to the question number 9. Use quick analysis to apply a blue data bars conditional formatting to the column that contains duration. On a Mac, use conditional formatting. In this question, you will have to apply a blue data bars conditional formatting to the column that contain duration. Simply, you can add a blue data bars in the duration column. Now move to the Excel workbook and start making the blue data bars in cell. Select the duration column from top to bottom. All the data in the duration column are selected. Now we apply blue data bars conditional formatting to the column that contain duration. This is a duration column. You can go to the home tab, then go to conditional formatting drop down, click on this. There are different options are showing: highlight cells rules, top bottom rules, and other options are showing. You can see in this option I have selected data bars. The next drop down are appeared gradient fill. You can see that different colors are showing. I have selected blue data bars. I have hover on this. You can see that blue data bars. And then click on this. The blue data bars are added in the duration column. We have now completed 9 questions of this assignment. If you need help with the remaining question or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also showing on my laptop screen. I provide full support for all types of assignment, quizzes, simulation exams, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses from the students of Canada, USA, and many other countries. If you need any help with this task or your complete course, feel free to reach out me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching.